Listen up, you lot. Food tech is about to take the culinary world by storm. Forget soggy chips and bland burgers. We're talking about a revolution in how we produce, process, and even experience food. Think lab-grown meat that's juicy and delicious, vertical farms sprouting fresh produce in the heart of the city, and personalized nutrition plans tailored to your DNA. This ain't some futuristic fantasy, it's happening right now. Food tech is tackling some of the biggest challenges facing our planet, from feeding a growing population to reducing our environmental impact. And with the global food tech market projected to reach a whopping £250 billion by 2027, it's clear that this is an industry with a serious appetite for growth. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just someone who enjoys a good meal, food tech is something you need to get your head around. Because trust me, it's going to change the way we eat forever. Now, if you're a food tech entrepreneur with a brilliant idea simmering away, you need to protect your culinary creations. That's where intellectual property, or IP, comes in. It's like a suit of armor for your innovations. First up, patents. These bad boys protect your inventions, whether it's a revolutionary new food processing technique or a groundbreaking plant-based meat alternative. Then there are trademarks, which safeguard your brand identity and stop those copycats from stealing your thunder. Don't forget about copyright. This protects your original works like your website content software or even that catchy jingle for your food delivery app. And finally, trade secrets. These are your confidential recipes, formulas, and processes that give you a competitive edge. Keep them locked down tight. China, the land of delicious dumplings and Peking duck, is also a hotbed of food tech innovation. They're investing heavily in alternative proteins, precision fermentation, and agricultural robotics. But here's the kicker. They're also becoming IP powerhouses. China's got a robust legal framework for IP protection with specialized courts and a no-nonsense approach to enforcement. They're serious about cracking down on counterfeiting and IP theft. So, what can we learn from them? Well, for starters, file those patent applications early and often. Don't wait for someone else to beat you to the punch. And be proactive about protecting your trademarks, especially in a market as vast and competitive as China. The food tech revolution is a global phenomenon with exciting innovations popping up all over the shop. We're seeing a surge in personalized nutrition with companies using AI and big data to create customized meal plans based on your unique needs. Sustainability is another huge driver, with a focus on reducing food waste, developing eco-friendly packaging, and promoting plant-based diets. And let's not forget about the rise of cellular agriculture, where scientists are growing meat in labs, eliminating the need for traditional animal farming. The future of food is here, and it's bursting with flavor, innovation, and a dash of technological wizardry. So buckle up, because this is one culinary journey you won't want to miss.